Are you looking for the best plasma cutters? In this video we will look at some of the 2 best plasma cutters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lotus LTP 5000D Plasma Cutter. We really like the Lotus LTP 5000D 50 amp machine. It doesn't come with the same quality as the Hobart Air Force 40i or the Hypertherm PowerMax 30XP, but it's one of the best 110V/220V plasma cutters for the money with what it offers. With a 10 to 50 amp cutting range and a non-touch pilot art that severs clean cuts through rusty or painted metal up to 12-inch thick, and even thicker if you don't mind a slower, rougher cut, it's impressive. The drag technology is excellent for tracing lines. Having a standoff like this plasma cutters keeps the nozzle clean and makes starting the plasma slice easy while continuing a consistent, effective cut all the way through. We highly recommend this plasma cutter to any hobbyist needing to cut no more than 1/2 plate. For the workshop environment, it's a little light in both cutting power and material quality to withstand heavy use. At number 2. Forney Easy Weld 251 Plasma Cutter. Forney's Easy Weld 251 20P Plasma Cutter is an affordable choice that suits the hobbyist wanting to cut light sections up to 1/4 thick. There are not many other welders this affordable, and this surpasses them in quality. However, a 20 amp output is minimal for the range we like. It's slightly bigger than Miller's Spectrum 625, but the lead is longer while it cuts a similar quality cut through thin sections. This isn't as easy a machine to use, with less advanced technology, and we like a plasma cutter that has at least a 2-year warranty. We like what Forney has here, particularly the price. It will suit anyone wanting a light plasma cutter for casual work.